Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Dave the Phone Guy, and today we're going to be unboxing the Huawei Freebuds Pro 2. I'm also going to compare them against the Honor Flypods that I own. So let's just jump into it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this unboxing started. I do have my other Honor headphones here just to kind of compare. From what I understand, they're going to be pretty much identical looking, just the color. These are Bluetooth 5.0, which is great. If you're charging brick, USB A to C cable, manual, and that's it. Let's open this up. Just like on the Honor ones, it feels solid. They're identical in size. They're both USB-C. Let's open that up, pop these out. They have two mics, one at the bottom, one at the top, and they have like little magnets that kind of pull them into place, so you know they're in there. They're not going to fall out at all. Figured we'd pair them up so we can see how that process is. This is the Xiaomi Mi 9T I showed you guys in my last video. To pair it, you're going to hold this button down here and lift the lid, and it should show us. There they are. Freebuds 2 Pro. Paired up very quickly. That was super easy. You just go right in. Just like the Apple Airpods, they're just as comfortable as the Honors. I mean, there's really no difference. These are the Pro. They're supposed to have some bone conduction to unlock your device if you were using WeChat or the Chinese Pay, like the Apple Pay or Android Pay type of system. I'm not sure what it exactly is called over there, but it's not anything that'll work here in the US. So basically I got the black ones. I paid extra money for the black ones because I wanted the black ones, even though they're the Pro versions, but they're no different than the basic versions besides that bone conduction to unlock it. So yeah guys, that's it. I'm sure they're gonna work exactly like the Honors. I don't foresee there being any difference at all. If there is, I will definitely update you, and we'll go from there. I wanted to thank everybody for subscribing, and if you haven't yet, please go ahead, mash that subscribe button, hit the bell, that way you know when my next video is posted. And yeah, I'm Dave the Phone Guy, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Why would I say that into the video? Huawei. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Dave the Phone Guy. These are the Honor Flypods Pro 2. No, they're not. Freebuds. These are the Honor Freebuds Pro 2. Today I have the Honor. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Dave the Phone Guy, and today I have the Huawei Freebuds. I think we're good.